I feel awkward right now, dude. I can't fucking control this shit. Stop fucking murdering me. Really fucking jump on
Okay.
Dude, what's that? Drag. Drag, I'm telling you right now, you gotta figure something out. Drag, I'm telling you.
Stop.
You gotta
Stop.
Really.
I want gumballs. I want balls for my mouth.
Dude, what the? Dude, I can get it out of my system, dude. It's not even that. It's not even that bad, dude. Shit. Really? Are you recording this? Are you serious right now? Look at that.
Guys, please. Stop.